Okay, so student, we have already done the part 2. Let us continue with part 1. We saw that in part 1 how the coins were trying to trick this boy and how he was not ready to give up, but eventually after so many attempts done by the coin to persuade him, he gave up and finally had jalebis of whole ru- uh, yes, of a whole rupee. And at that time, as much jalebis we get, around 150 rupees or so, that much jalebis he got in 1 rupee. Okay, so just as he was gathering the jalebis and he was walking up to few distance, what happened was he saw his chacha returning from the court, and he knew pakka that now he will get caught. That's why, taking his life in his hand, he ran so fast into a gully to be saved so that he won't be seen by his chacha. And he ran into the gully and he looked that now he is safe, and he started to devour jalebis as much as he could, because possibly he can't take jalebis to his house because he had brought jalebis from his school fees. And if he took jalebis, he had to answer many questions from his family, so he had to eat all the jalebis so that he can go home empty handed. Okay, so he ate everything like possibly he could eat, how many jalebis he could, he ate it. And he ate so much, like as if anyone could pinch him or poke him, all the jalebis would come out like strangling out. Okay, so but after seeing the incident, maybe all the boys from entire neighborhood assembled near the gully. It usually happens, मतलब कोई तो पकड़ रहा होगा ना. Like I remember my childhood days when I was living in slum area Dharavi, if you know. Okay, so there कोई भी ऐसे अंकल को किसी मतलब कोई अंकल किसी बच्चे को पीट रहा होगा तो वी यूज्ड टू गो एंड सी द तमाशास, नॉट वी लाइक अदर स्टूडेंट्स देयर, अदर चिल्ड्रन. तमाशा देखते थे, मज़े करते थे, किसी को पीट रहे होगे तो हम मज़े लेते थे. ओके, तो सिमिलरली दैट दिस नेबरहुड चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो assembled near the gully. And first of all, this boy was full, or with having, his stomach was full with having all this jalebi. So he was like, now I'll just distribute all this to children around. And he started distributing these jalebis, whatever he was having. And all the students who were delighted to have jalebis, they were screaming and jumping into the gullies. And also now other children appeared, along with them beggars appeared to have this jalebi, and everything, all were very happy. Okay, and looking them so delightful, he went to halwai and brought 1 more rupees worth of jalebi, looking at the crowd. Okay, and he stood at one place, he stood on chabutra of the house and literally distributed every single child and the beggars these jalebis. Okay, and now he was feeling like being some लीडर और समथिंग. ओके, मतलब अभी ये कुछ बांट रहा है और ये सारे अपने प्रजा है, लाइक ही वॉज फीलिंग ऑन लिविंग ऑन द सेवेंथ हेवन नाउ. And he was like, surely if I was a governor or something, I would have won this election by doing such work. These beggars and children would have obviously made me elected for the assembly. Okay, and they would have been the reason for his success if he had been a governor. So he was feeling like, मैं कितना अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं ये होता तो अभी तक कितने जीत लेता, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. ओके, so he was thinking like something fantasy, he was in his fantasy world. Then also now Beggar started to join this assault. Okay, so next thing was he also again bought 2 rupees he was having in his hand now. Then he bought 2 rupees jalebis also and started distributing among them, and he distributed everyone. Now he had a stomachache because he had gobbled up so many jalebis. It was not easy enough to digest everything at a time. Okay, because digestion takes time. It goes through many various processes to uh, for the whole digestion process, right? So टिल देन असं होतं आहे ना, वेन एव्हर वी ईट एव्हरीथिंग लाईक गळा घशापर्यंत येईल इतकं जेवतो तेव्हा आपल्यासारखे असे ढेकर लागतात. ओके, सो फॉर विथ एव्हरी ब्रीथ देअर केम अ बर्ब विथ द स्मेल ऑफ दॅट जलेबी. ओके, so he was fearing that किसी ने सूंघ लिया, if someone smell that he will be getting caught that he ate jalebis with his school fees. Otherwise he will just get caught that he ate jalebis, and then he will be questioned, where did you get money from, where did you buy it? Okay, and if he said his stomach is aching at home, then his family surely will bring a doctor and tell him to check, and this doctor will directly come to know, he will declare that Munna had a jalebis and that's why he's not feeling well. Okay, so it's better that he'll simply die. That is what he was thinking. इससे ज़्यादा तो अच्छा मैं मरी जाऊँ भाई, नहीं तो ये मैं ऐसे पकड़ने से अच्छा मैं खुद मरी जाऊँ. Okay, so this is what he was feeling, and this boy's name is Munna. Now we came to know it, his identity. So all night he was really coiled up in the great pain he was having in stomach. Okay, but it was really grateful that glad he didn't eat all 4 rupees jalebis, otherwise second day obviously he would have died of jalebis, so that will be a tragic death of his. Yeah, so as we are having digestion system immunity power in ourselves, this digestive system starting doing its own work, and in the whole night he was all cured, and he next day he woke up, he washed his face, and like a good student he took a chalk and slate in his hand and started going to school. And now he knew that because uska dimag bol raha tha na, you will get a scholarship money, then you can pay that scholarship money for a school fees, and you can have a school fees for jalebis and all. So he was like, now I'll get a scholarship today. So he was very assured that he will get a previous month's scholarship. So once he paid that fees, the jalebi thing will be completely forgotten, that what he was having in his mind. But as he went to school, he came to know that he won't be getting scholarship month till next month. Okay, so now he was in very much despair. Okay, like he found out the most worst thing he could have possibly thought. First he was thinking that I will really get scholarship money, then I'll pay that scholarship money for fees, and fees for जलेबी का मतलब कुछ मतलब किस्सा ही नहीं है कि बात आने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है आगे, विषय ही नहीं, ख़त्म. Okay, but what he found that the money that he will be paid in the following month. Now he was like, what am I going to do, who will pay the school fees, how I'll pay school fees. He was so afraid. He started praying, अल्लाह मियाँ भाई मुझे प्लीज़, भगवान प्लीज़ मुझे बचा ले इस बार, send some farishta or something, put that 4 rupees in my pocket or do something, I'll promise I'll use them only to pay my fees and not eat any jalebis. He was so afraid. Now that he started praying to God, like हम भी करते हैं ना वैसे, कोई कोई हनुमान चालीसा ही चालू करेगा डर के मारे. Okay, but now he was really very afraid, really frightened of what will happen next. So he took his bag and he just kept walking and walking, praying for Lord that something should happen and he gets 4 rupees in his hand somehow, and he could pay it for the school fees. And he wanted to go somewhere that he could hide his face, that's why he went to Kambelpur railway station, and he reached at that point where the earth ended, like it was a Kambelpur railway station, and elders have already warned him that he should never cross the railway tracks. So but yeah, why do we really hear what our elders tell us? Elders ये भी बोलते हैं कि रात को बाहर नहीं जाना है, फिर भी we go and do night outs, right? एल्डर्स ऑल्सो टेल अस कि स्कूल में आके पढ़ाई करो, दंगा मत करो, फिर भी स्कूल में आके दंगा तो करते हैं ना, मज़ा मस्ती तो होती है. यस, So it's like we don't really follow the instructions that our leaders, the elders give us. So he was also saying, elders had also warned. He's saying that elders had also warned me that you must never eat sweets with different money. मतलब जिसके लिए पैसे दिए उसके लिए ही उसके लिए वो पैसे ख़त्म होने चाहिए, दूसरे के लिए यूज़ नहीं होना चाहिए. But still he ate jalebis, ना. So how did this instruction escape from his mind? So he was like, अब क्या करे? So let us see what happens in the third part later, and what happens. Did he really get caught in the this all the mess he had done, or he gets saved, or really does a god send a farishta for him and sends give 4 rupees to him? Let's see that in the third part.